is where a squirrel sat and enjoyed his lunch. This is the center of a pine cone, and these are all the little pieces that it tore off to get to the seeds. And if we look a little closer, the seeds inside that little husk. And just imagine the little squirrel sitting here, looking out, enjoying a snack, thinking about how hard this winter's gonna be. It's funny that you see my pickup truck parked right over there, right? Here we are, right next to this road. And yet to that squirrel, it might as well be anywhere. It's kind of how I feel. Isn't that cool?